Good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 1st. Sweet October is finally here. 3 weeks, the rut's gonna start. It's gonna start kicking off here in Wisconsin, and then probably starting around October 24th, 25th, somewhere around there, I'll be hunting every day, all day. See if I can't get that big buck. The only reason I'm not hunting today, well, a couple of reasons. First of all, it seems like the gods are pretty angry today, and that wind is just howling. It's like 20-mile-per-hour winds with like 30 to 40-mile-per-hour gusts. And the woods I hunt, all the trees are kind of old and getting ready to fall down and everything, so it's not very safe to hunt on days like this. And today is the Brewers' first playoff game, and I actually got invited to go with an old buddy from that I used to work with. So I'll be at the Brewers game at 4. Well, we'll be tailgating probably around 2:30. So I'm going to the Brewers game today. Go Brewers. I don't know if this bad weather is a good omen or a bad omen. The gods seem to be angry today. I don't know. So today we're going to take just a couple of shots with the Oneida. It's starting to rain. I also went squirrel hunting yesterday, got a couple more squirrels. I'm going to tack that on to the end of the video. So let's take the first shot here. Oh, looks perfect. I'm trying these autumn orange XX75s. Oh my gosh, that was perfect. From Two Rivers, the Easton Game Getters, for the first time out of the Oneida, and holy cow, that was a perfect heart shot. I don't know if you guys can catch that wind or not, but whew, it is humping today. This is only about, I guess, about 15 yards right here. This is the distance where the deer should be from the blind that I hunt out of. Let's try that again. Looks like just about the same. Perfect. Should I skip 20 and go all the way back to 30 and see what this thing does at 30? The drop might be a lot more on this than those other arrows, because these are pretty heavy arrows. So if I make a bad shot, it's not my fault, because I haven't been shooting this arrow out of this bow, and I haven't learned the drop. So I think we're gonna make this just a little bit over point on, and we'll see what happens here. I might actually switch up to these arrows for this bow, boy. This will also be a good test because it's kind of dark out, and I feel like this new GoPro that I got doesn't do as well in the low light conditions as the old one for some reason. All right, last shot of the day for the video anyways. Well, I hit the deer. I'm not sure where. Couldn't really see the arrow flight. Oh, just a perfect heart shot. Woo, I am on with this bow. Look at that. 33 yards. So it's basically point on with that arrow with this bow. I think if I hunt with this bow later this year, I think it's gonna be with those arrows. I like that. 3 shots, 3 perfect shots. And I haven't shot this bow since the last time I shot on camera, so it's been a while. So go Brewers. You'll be getting more hunting stuff. Like I said, there will be a couple of squirrel hunts tacked on to the end of this, so I hope you like those. If you're squeamish, don't watch, because that 17 caliber kind of messes them up. One really opened up one, and the other one I had to do offhand, so it was a bad shot, so it went in through his chest and came out through his back and like pulled out some intestines. So if you don't want to see all that, then stop watching right now, okay? Hope you all are doing good. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye. Got one. This gun really puts him down. Here he is. Just a small gray squirrel this time. Number two, I had to do him offhand, so doesn't look like it was a headshot like I like. But another nice gray squirrel. Yep, he's done. Pretty small. They seem to be small in here.